kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to present you an app, and that is the YouTube channel app using Android Studio. So basically, if you want to earn some revenues from your Android app, then I think this is the best app that you can invest on. Okay, so basically what you do is you upload the app to the Google Play Store by uploading the any YouTube channel videos and playlist into the app and with the AdMob ads, so that you can earn some revenues from the AdMob and AdSense. Alright, so I have many clients that I have given my app to them, and they are earning a lot of amount. Alright, so in this video I am just going to give you the demo, and there you can see we have an app, and that is the Telfo and Chill. So there you can see there are a lot of videos there, and you can play the videos and you can enjoy them. And as you can see, there is the AdMob ad, so when the people click on your ad, then you can earn revenues. And also I want to make sure I want to tell you that you can you only need to put the channel URL into the application source code, so the app will automatically display the videos from your channel. And there you can see we have the playlist here. Inside that playlist we have one video, then there we have 7 videos. So if I press this, and there you can see it is displaying all the videos inside the playlist. And yes, you can see there is the AdMob ad which is appearing. So when the people clicks on this ad, then you earn some money. So if I try to play a video, so there you can see the video is going to be played using the YouTube player here. Okay, so that's how it works. Also it has the about section, so there you can present or display the channel description here. Alright, so that's how this app works. Also there is the search option, so basically you can search any term. So let's say if I want to search, let me wanted. Okay, so there is the, if I want to search all the videos who has wanted text in them, so I can say, so okay, so there is the ad, so there we can say wanted, and there you can see we have all the videos which have the term wanted. There you can see wanted, and that's how it works. Okay guys, so if you want the source code, so all you need to do is just to send me a message and I will get back to you shortly. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.